Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn funnel charts in Excel. Funnel charts are powerful visual tools used to represent a progressive series of data or stages, depicting the flow or conversion rates of various elements. With their distinct shape resembling a funnel, these charts are widely used in business, marketing, and sales to analyze and understand the progression of data through different stages or categories. Why do we need funnel chart? Funnel charts serve several purposes across different industries. Firstly, they are commonly employed in sales and marketing to track the customer journey and conversion rate. By visually illustrating the conversion funnel, businesses can identify areas of improvement and potential bottlenecks in their sales process. Let's go to our Excel file to create the funnel chart. Let's look at the simple table which has the FMCG products and the net profit here. For every FMCG company, it's very important for them to understand the sales of that product and the net profit of any product. To get an easy visual about the top 5 companies and their performance, and out of the top 5 company, which one is doing better and which one is the least. So just to have that clear glance of the top 5 companies, funnel chart will always do a good job there. Let me select the top 6 companies and their net profit value. Go to Insert and here click on Recommended Charts, All Charts. Here we see our funnel chart. Okay. We see this chart is exactly looking like a funnel, where the double one being the highest of the sales and the least is Gillette. And the data distribution has happened in a way where it clearly looks like a beautiful funnel. We can change the chart title. I've given a space before every product so that our funnel has a clear gap in between, and this will give us a clear funnel shape as well. Let me remove this blank space and show you how the funnel looks. After removing the space, this is how our funnel chart looks like. Funnel charts are the widely used charts in any of the dashboards. The reason being because of its funnel shape, which is attractive, and everyone gets attracted towards the funnel shape chart. Looking at such beautiful funnel chart, everybody can clearly understand the top performer and the bottom performer. Although this is an attractive funnel chart, but we don't have too many customization options here for our funnel chart here. We can individually change the color of each bars. I've changed the colors of the individual bars and now this looks little okay, but this is not very appealing. I'll show you another way to create a funnel chart which looks very attractive. Let me select this table again and go to Insert. This time I'm going to use the column bar chart. I'm selecting the 3D stacked column chart now. Although I selected the stacked column chart, but we don't see the stacked graph here. Let me click anywhere on the chart and go to Switch Rows and Columns. Now you see that we have only one column bar and which is stacked. Right click anywhere on this column chart, Format Data Series, and here we see the column shapes, which is full pyramid or partial pyramid. Let me select full pyramid. Now we have the inverted cone shape here or inverted funnel shape style here. To make it upside down, let me click on this y-axis and go to axis options. Here you see values in reverse order. Click on this. Now we have our chart inverted. And we see that this cone shape is now representing the funnel style. Let me remove the grid lines and let me change the color of these layers. Right click and just go to fill. Let me right click, fill, and light red. And for the tip, dark red. Let me remove the axis here. Now we have our funnel shape or the cone shape chart ready. Now I have added the data labels only for the first three categories. You can stretch this to get more clear understanding about these data. Let's give a space in between every layer. To do that, I'll have to do some modification to my table data. Let me delete this. And I'm going to add a space after every field. And here I'm just going to mention it as space and 100. Let me keep it as common 100. 100. Now let me put everything in one common format. Now we have the product, space, product, space, product, space, and space after every product. Let me select this whole table and follow the same step. Insert, column chart, 3D stacked column chart, and switch row to column. Right click anywhere on this column chart, format data series, and select the full pyramid. You can even select full cone. Let's select full cone this time. And select this y-axis. Click on values in reverse order. And now let's remove the axis. Let me stretch this a bit for us to get a good understanding about the data. Let me change the color of these sections. Right click. And for the second one, I'm going to use no fill and no border. Second one, solid fill, and let me select another better color. Third one, no fill, no line. Now we have our cone shaped funnel chart and we have a space in between. We can even use the data labels here, but data label doesn't look good. On the funnel, I don't need the values, I need the product names. To do that, go to data labels, more options. Here we see value. Click on series name and uncheck the value. Now we see that the values change only for the first entry, but all the other labels still don't have the names updated. Select the second one and we don't need this 100 because this is the space, so I'm going to just delete it. And the second one, let me click on it. Go to label options and check on series name and uncheck the value. Let me just drag and drop it like this. And again here, let me move it on to this particular segment. And again, go to label options, select the series name and uncheck the value. We can just do it manually for each and everything. I've now updated the product name for all these individual segments one by one. For now, let me remove the data labels as it's not really that clear here. I'm just going to remove all these data labels one by one. You can keep the data labels or just can remove the data labels. I'm going to remove the data labels as I don't really see it's very helpful for this particular cone shape design. This way we can either use cone shape funnel chart, pyramid style funnel chart, or the normal funnel chart to represent the values and to show which product is doing good and which product is not doing that good. Now let's understand the highlights of this video. Funnel charts are used in project management where they help track progress and identify potential obstacles throughout various project phases. Funnel charts provide a concise and visually appealing representation of data progression, making them a valuable tool for analyzing and optimizing processes in various domains. Funnel charts allow users to optimize their strategies and allocate resources effectively to enhance conversion rates.